Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SDR and HDR timelines in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Full guide step by step clearly. To connect SDR and HDR timelines in DaVinci Resolve Studio, start by opening your project. Ensure you have both SDR and HDR timelines created in your project. Select your HDR timeline first. Go to the timeline panel and right-click on the HDR timeline. Choose Timeline Settings from the context menu. In the Timeline Settings window, note the resolution and frame rate. Next, select your SDR timeline. Right-click on the SDR timeline and choose Timeline Settings as well. Ensure the SDR timeline has the same resolution and frame rate as the HDR timeline. Close the Timeline Settings window. Now, navigate to the Color page. Open the HDR timeline in the Color page. Locate the Color Space tag in the Color Space panel. Set the HDR timeline's color space to HDR. Next, switch to the SDR timeline in the Color page. Access the Color Space tag again. Adjust the SDR timeline's color space to SDR. Move to the Deliver page when you're ready to export. Choose appropriate export settings for HDR content. Consider using a format that supports HDR, such as ProRes or DNxHR. For the SDR timeline, select standard export formats like H.264 or H.265. Ensure that both timelines are set to export in their respective formats and settings. After configuring your export settings, specify the output location. Click on Add to Render Queue for both timelines. Finally, start the rendering process by clicking Start Render in the render queue. Your SDR and HDR timelines are now connected and ready for distribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.